Did you know one simple Asian smoothie can cut more calories than skipping breakfast? And no, it's not the one you think. Which smoothie do you drink most often? Fruity, green, or protein-packed? 1. Mango Lassi Smoothie, India. Mangoes are often seen as too sweet, but when blended with yogurt and no added sugar, they can actually help digestion and cut cravings. Low-fat yogurt adds protein and probiotics, making this a filling breakfast that prevents binge eating later. Do you think mango is a weight loss fruit or a sugar trap? Second Matcha Green Tea Smoothie, Japan. Matcha has more antioxidants than blueberries, and it naturally boosts fat burning. Blended with banana and almond milk, it's an energy kick without the crash of coffee. Would you swap coffee for matcha if it meant losing weight faster? Third Avocado Soy Milk Smoothie. Avocados are fatty, but the good fats actually help burn belly fat when eaten in moderation. Avocado blended with soy milk gives a creamy, filling smoothie packed with protein and healthy fats. Is avocado overhyped or underrated in weight loss? 4. Turmeric Ginger Smoothie. Both turmeric and ginger are natural anti-inflammatories, meaning they help reduce bloating and improve digestion. Blend with coconut milk and honey for a spicy, earthy weight loss powerhouse. Would you drink something spicy if it meant losing fat faster? 5. Papaya Lime Smoothie. Papaya contains enzymes that literally break down fat in your digestive system. Adding lime juice and mint turns it into a refreshing, tropical fat burner. Papaya, miracle fruit, or just hype? 6. Black Sesame Smoothie. Black sesame seeds are packed with calcium and healthy oils that support metabolism. Blended with banana and oat milk, this smoothie is both filling and surprisingly nutty in flavor. Would you ever try black sesame in a smoothie? Yes or no? 7. Dragon Fruit Smoothie. Dragon fruit is so low calorie that one cup has fewer calories than a slice of bread, but with 7 grams of fiber. Add chia seeds for an extra fiber punch and slow digestion to help with weight control. Dragon fruit, superfood, or Instagram hype? 8. Moringa Smoothie. Moringa has more iron than spinach and is called the miracle tree. Blend it with pineapple and coconut water for a tropical, nutrient-dense weight loss smoothie. Would you try moringa if it tasted like spinach but worked faster? 9. Almond Date Smoothie. Dates are sweet but don't spike blood sugar as much as refined sugar, making them great for healthy cravings. Paired with almonds, this smoothie provides protein, fiber, and natural energy. Great for replacing junk snacks. Healthy sweeteners, dates or honey? Which do you pick? 10. Ginger Honey Lemon Smoothie. This simple combo improves digestion, fights cravings, and strengthens immunity all at once. Add water or green tea base, and it's a light, refreshing weight loss drink anyone can make daily. Would you drink this daily if it replaced your morning tea? Asian smoothies are powerful not because they're trendy, but because they use whole, natural ingredients people have trusted for centuries. I think they're way more effective than expensive detox powders or fad diets. If I had to pick one, I'd go with papaya lime. It's refreshing and works great for digestion. But honestly, the best smoothie is the one you'll make every day. Which one of these smoothies surprised you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. I want to see which country's recipe wins. Before you go, I've linked a poll with 4 new video ideas. Click it, vote, and watch what comes next. Don't forget, subscribe and keep your heart healthy.